Hi folks, welcome to a new video. Before we begin, I would like to thank everyone for your immense support to our last video. It was about how to do a video call in Telegram. So if you haven't seen it yet, I'll post the links in description as well as in the iCard. Today, I'm going to share some tips on how to increase the performance of your old Android devices. Now, there are many apps that claim to increase the performance of your device, but as we know, 99.99% of them are just gimmicks. What I am going to share are some tweaks which some of us used to do back in the days of lower spec phones, and it still works today. So the first thing I used to do 3 to 4 years ago, even with a newly bought phone, was to enable developer mode, which unlocked some very useful features, especially for people who needed to root their phones and squeeze more out of their phones. I'm not going to delve into the details of rooting and all. However, there are a couple of things you could do to make your phone more peppier without rooting. Now, to enable the developer mode, go to settings, about phone, then tap on the build number for 7 times, or in this case I am tapping on the GUI option. For some reason the OS came with my phone has some weird things. Now tap it 7 times and you will see a message along the lines of now you are a developer or something like that. Since I have already turned on the option, I can't show it. It's already showing that I am a developer. Now go back to the settings and you will see developer mode. In my phone, the developer mode option is in the advanced settings. Now open it and turn on the developer mode. Now scroll down a bit and you will see an option which says window animation scale and a couple of more such animation scale options below it. Now this may be set in 1x or maybe 1.5x as default. Now select them and now click on the option off or 0 or whatever it is available as the least value. Immediately you will see more responsive UI whenever you swipe or do such work, because it has turned off the animation while we open a new window, switching apps, slide to new menu, etc. Now if your phone is very slow, this will make a good amount of difference while you select some options or even some normal works. Now the next thing to do is in the developer mode itself. Scroll down a bit more and you will see force GPU rendering option. Now turn that on, and now what this does is it forces the phone to use GPU, that is the graphics processing unit, even for our usual tasks. Now usually the GPU is used for gaming and other such intense tasks. This results in better performance. On the flip side though, this will affect your phone's battery life. It might reduce the battery life by 10 to 20%, and it will change according to the GPU we are using and the processor we have in our phone. Also the software optimization might be a factor there. But then again, if you have an old Android phone, chances are that you already have a pretty bad battery life and always carry around power banks. Or maybe it is now your secondary phone and you don't use it as much as you used to do. So in any ways, you can try this and see if there is any difference in performance and if the battery life is drastically reduced. Now these two main tweaks does make a good amount of difference in the usability of older phones. Heck, I did that in my Lenovo Z2 Plus, which had an awesome hardware but very bad software optimization, and it made a lot of difference. So that's it for today guys. I'll bring out more such tips and tricks, and if you like this video, please do like, share, and if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit on that bell icon also. So until next time,